Welcome back to the Art of Modelling. We're at the beginning of a 3-video sequence, and in this video we'll be looking at modelling for an existing web UI. But later on we'll be looking at future concepts and new ideas, and what to do when requirements evolve and change. George, one of our technical analysts, will take you through the next few minutes and discuss best practices when it comes to modelling, how to get started, how to think about this slightly differently. Things like, well, how do I overlay my automation? How do I work with data? What do I do with rules and being able to specify different node logic? Lots of exciting principles for you to get good at when it comes to modelling. So George, over to you.
In this first video, we're going to look at how we build models when we have a UI already in place. So, for example, on screen here, we have a very simple customer login screen where we've got things like emails, password fields, and a couple of other buttons that we're going to consider. If we look at Test Modeler, this is sort of the best practices model we've designed around this page. You see, as we're going through, we're picking up different elements of the application. So we're looking at the go-to URL, we're looking at the emails, passwords, eventually clicking on our sign-in buttons. And you can sort of see through here how we're tracking different journeys, modeling out different combinations of data and combinations of user behavior that can exist on top of our web page. This model demonstrates some of the more basic best practices around UI modeling. If we take a closer look, you can see how we're using all three major block types in conjunction with each other to map out the different combinations of behavior on the app. From this completed model, we're now creating 4 different user journeys through the application, each one of these using a different combination of the blocks that we've overlaid on top of the model. You can see here we've created one positive path where we're considering only a valid email and a valid password, and then 3 negative paths where we're considering different combinations of those data points.